Okay, this is the passenger side brake pad change. So one of the things to do to push the piston to the end is just I use a little bar and I use the old brake pad and then push it. So that's the way I already push the new ones. So in this side, just remove the top side. The bolt is in the top side, not in the bottom. So then, let's see, need more. So in this case, I have to remove this one too because that hose is too short. So I have to remove this. Today they can wait to check that out. But now it just we gonna close this. There you go.